Hello, 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 hello. Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another Peachybbies restocking video. So this week we have a long video for you guys. I wanted to include a clip of every single slime we have in stock because this week is not like every other average slime restock week. This week we're actually having 20% off the entire shop. So tonight, 6 o'clock, Saturday, February 8th. If you guys use code VDAY20, and that'll all be linked down in the description, you guys can get 20% off your entire order. So that includes every slime that we are restocking in the shop. I have a feeling it's going to sell out pretty quick though, especially with, and I'll let you guys know as we go through the video, but especially with some of the new slimes and some of the BIHGSUs and stuff like that. If you guys see something that you want to grab, definitely get there early because I don't know how quickly we're gonna sell out. Last time we had a sale, we actually did really well in terms of sales. By the way, thank you guys so much for that. And I'm not gonna be restocking for 3 weeks because I am actually moving to Texas. So hi, if you're from Texas, definitely let me know down below and let me know some things that I should check out while I'm there. Let's get on to this restock. I feel like I've talked long enough. So first of all, we have Diamond Crispies. You guys love Fairy Light Crisp. You guys always sell me out of it. So I wanted to make another full BIHGSU. Diamond Crispies is super similar. It's packed with iridescent glitters, really pretty shade shifting pigments, and then shaped glitters. But this one is a blue tinted base. So this one legit looks like a diamond. It is so pretty, but it has a really pretty kind of periwinkle blue base to it. You guys will see, and you're probably watching it as I'm talking, but super pretty, really crunchy, amazing. If you guys love bubble pops, anything like that, heavily recommend it. Next, we have a duo. So both of these are icy slimes. Both of these are under the same name. So you guys are going to get the same name label when you order either one of these, but there's a pink and there's a red. So they're slightly different scent and they're definitely slightly different icy textures. First up is the Heart You Sizzle in Strawberry Pop Rocks. So of course this one is scented like Strawberry Pop Rocks. It's a really yummy strawberry candy scent, but this one is a super soft, super sizzly and inflating icy. So this one's a bit on the wetter side, but it is definitely like a true and really satisfying icy. It's really squishy, really fun to play with. Definitely recommend this if you're looking for a true icy experience. Then next we have the Heart You Sizzle in Red Cherry Rock Candy. So this one, of course, is scented like red cherry rock candy. So it's like a sweet cherry scent, but definitely more of a sweet candy rather than a strong cherry scent, because I know those can be a bit overwhelming. This one is actually a drizzly cloud. So I heavily recommend buying both of them together because they're way different from each other. But if you guys want something that's a little bit more holdable, maybe you're just starting out in slime, maybe you're like the kind of person who has a hotter body temperature so slime sticks to you, this is definitely the one I recommend. Or, you know, if you just like drizzly slimes in general, this one's practically a cloud slime. You still get that amazing sizzle that you do with ices, but this one is really drizzly, so you get that whole like cloud icy experience with this one. And I wanted to include them both because I think ices are so fun and you can have them in so many different textures, and they have cute little conversation hearts on them. I thought these were so freaking cute. So yeah, I think it's pretty obvious I like the conversation hearts. They're just so cute though, right? Can we in the comments please rate them 1 to 10 on adorableness factor, because I love them so much. Then moving on to stuff that we had that was new for last week that you guys really loved and I wanted to bring back. We have the SHEETTART Heart BIHGSU. This one's lightly scented like candy fluff, so it's got a candy scent to it. Of course, with anything in the video past this point, Definitely check out last week's video if you guys want to hear a more detailed description of any of these. I'm just kind of giving you a little bit of a rundown on what we have and what's in the shop this week. But this one's a super crunchy BIHGSU, literally packed with different kinds of confetti sprinkles, cute little heart sprinkles, super adorable, super kawaii. Love it. That was really creepy. I'm sorry. Then we have Cherry Kiss Jelly. So this one is scented, of course, like a cherry kind of candy soda scent. This one is part red jelly and then part pink jelly with cute little pink and red sprinkles on top. You guys are into jelly slimes. This is the only one we have in the shop this week. So heavily recommend it. It's more of a thick jelly, so it's really crazy holdable. Next we have Orange Cream Soft Sizzle. So this one is kind of a cloud cream and icy hybrid. It plays like a cloud cream. You can hold it. It's very holdable. It's very stretchy, but it sizzles like an icy slime. So if you guys want something that's a little bit more holdable than an icy slime, I heavily recommend Orange Cream Soft Sizzle. It's amazing. If you guys love like orange creamsicle scents, oh my god, it smells amazing. Then we have the I'm Baby Cloud. So this is our first cloud slime that we are selling in a 7-ounce as well as a 12-ounce container. All the rest of our clouds are actually in the 12-ounce containers because they're candy fluffs. So I wanted to bring a 7-ounce cloud for all of you guys asking. This one is scented like cereal and milk. It's a super OG scent. This one brings back memories of like the old slime days, but it's still a fan fave. I love it so much. And when you mix it all together, it turns into a really pretty pastel baby pink. Then we have Cotton Candy Puffball. This one you guys actually loved in the last restock. We sold so many of these guys. They're our classic puffball texture, so they're super inflating. They're like a really clay heavy sleigh slime, so very holdable, very inflating, really fun and relaxing to squish or just play with when you're absolutely holding slime or wanting slime. That's definitely what I recommend the puffballs for. But if you guys love inflation or butters, these are definitely I recommend. And then this one is scented like a cotton candy gummy. So really yummy. You guys know how I feel about cotton candy stuff. And speaking of puff balls, we actually have peach puff ball in stock in limited quantities as well. So if you guys want to try the puff ball texture but want more of a fruit scent, this is the one to go for. We have Berry Candy Fluff, which is one of our candy fluff slimes. This one is scented like a berry cotton candy, and then it has a pink layer and then a purple to blue color changing layer. You guys get to mix together and drizzle. Overall, it turns into a light purpley pink color when it's all mixed, in case you guys were wondering, and it is one of our best sellers, so I definitely recommend that one. Then we have Pink Snowball Soft Sizzle. Recently, I've been selling this as a DIY clay. I decided, since I had some extras and I did not have enough of the clay, I wanted to sell it individually. And you want to, try out one of the soft sizzle textures, I recommend this one. It smells really good. It smells like chocolate, coconut, and then marshmallow. So really, really yummy, kind of like a snack cake scent. And it comes in pink and white, so it mixes into a really pretty pastel pink. As well as a few limited Fairy Light crisps we had. These ones, of course, you guys already know. Like I said, if you want better descriptions, go check the videos that I released these slimes in. But unscented, super, super crunchy BIHGSU bead slime that legit looks like a geode. It is so pretty. Definitely an OG. You guys love this one. Then we have Classic Candy Fluff. You guys love this one as well. Of course, it's a classic candy fluff scent, like a cotton candy, and it turns into a really pretty pastel purple. Then finally, we have Cake Batter Swirl. So again, another OG. You guys love this one. Scented like a really yummy cake batter with 2 little pink and blue frosting packets you guys get to mix in yourself. So super great for Instagram, looks really cute, and is a classic cloud cream texture. Other than that, that is it for this restock. I really hope you liked it. And if you guys get anything, definitely send me a DM letting me know what you got. Other than that, I'll see you guys in 3 weeks with another restock. Oh my god, that's such a long time. Don't forget about me. Okay. Yeah, I love you. I'll see you in the comments. Bye.